After the Unnao rape case, convict Kuldeep Singh Sengar was released, his life term was suspended by the Delhi High Court. Now, Karnataka Minister Priyank Kharge has taken a jibe at the BJP, posting an AI-generated video showing Sengar being garlanded. Now, the Karnataka BJP has hit back, accusing Kharge of spreading fake news, misleading the public about court order and mocking Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative. The parties demanded an unconditional apology, and amid the controversy, Kharge Jr. has now deleted the post, only to share another video with a fresh dig, claiming that the BJP continues to shield and honor perpetrators. Let's connect with Pragya on this. Pragya, as far as AI images are now concerned, well, they have been circulated widely there, but this gives a certain way of misleading the public in giving out information which is actually wrong, a fake narrative that has now been set up. However, Priyank Kharge has refused to apologize.
Well, you're absolutely right. And this is what BJP is also attacking Minister Priyank Kharge on this and saying that, you are the one posting AI-generated video and also the fake news about it. Karnataka BJP especially has hit out on Mr. Kharge, saying that he is spreading a fake news and also misleading the public about a court order and mocking Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative. You are absolutely right on that count. And in fact, BJP is not taking this lightly, because they are saying that we have not garlanded a singer in any contest, and the video that has been shared by Mr. Kharge was also fake and AI generated. And in fact, this is also an attempt by Mr. Kharge to mislead the general public and also to create an environment which is against Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, which is the narrative of BJP, thereby saying that you are trying to mislead the public on the count that BJP is against the women and against the girl, and they are shielding the perpetrator, which is not the case. And this also has come at a time when the case is in news, and in fact the accused is also appealing in court to ensure that Sengar won't get any bail this time. So this becomes a very important and critical issue, and also timing is very important. And such a fake ID, and in fact such a fake video that has been shared by Priyank Kharge has been taken very seriously by the BJP.
And post that, as far as the outrage is concerned, he is deleted and he has removed that post, but however has refused to issue an apology as being demanded by the BJP. Pragya, thank you for that update, because the problem where it lies is this is an AI generated image. As Kuldeep Singh Sengar is still behind bars serving sentence in another case, but the BJP here seems to be accusing Priyank Kharge of spreading fake news and is circulating malicious image to attack the Prime Minister and to mislead the public about a court order. As far as when it comes to this development is concerned, let's connect with Shubhangi there, who will help us understand how this political potshots that are now being taken over a case which is highly sensitive. Yes, Shubhangi.
That's right, Amita. Here on my screen, I have BJP's reaction. It is hitting out at Priyank Kharge. They say, and I quote, "Inadvertent oversight, you are the IT minister, not a casual user. If you can't distinguish between the real and AI, God knows what you will be doing for Bengaluru's IT system. Stop using deflection to distract for your own malicious intent. You violated the hate speech law, you mocked the judiciary, you twisted the Beti Bachao slogan and disrespected women. The case you mention is in court. We trust the law. You, however, manufacture your own truth with AI. Apologize unconditionally for mocking the judiciary and women." So BJP is clear with this. First, they say that Priyank Kharge has violated the hate speech law and mocked the judiciary, and they demand right now is only apology from Priyank Kharge.
All right, Shubhangi, thank you for that update. Well, this development is coming as far as Priyank Kharge has now refused to apologize. That is now being demanded on part of the BJP there. And however, he has since deleted the post with the image in question, which referred to the 2017 Unnao rape case. And he rather has been saying that this image in the post may have been AI generated and has been shared as far as BJP Karnataka is concerned, that has been taking on this issue vehemently. And Karnataka BJP there seems to be targeting Priyank Kharge for sharing this AI generated image and has now been demanding an apology from the Congress minister.